tryna go, yeah, the party jumping off. Hey, we putting on a show, tryna catch a vibe. We do this every time, like na 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 na.
I'm on my way home.
Tokyo.
I wanna laugh, I wanna cry, but gonna love you till I die. Oh, baby, I'm on my way home.
Pineapple? No, I don't think so.
I wanna dance, I wanna sing.
It's a beautiful Wednesday morning. Wednesday is not amongst the most exciting days because it's mid-weekday, but we've been waiting for this Wednesday for almost close to 2 or 3 months now, and my eyes are still puffy, so yeah, it's pretty early. We have a very special place, at least special to us, to go to, and we'll grab some real good South Indian breakfast.
So we are at this place called Shivali, as you can see. This is actually a renovated version of the older restaurant, which used to be like right next to this. We've been coming here for as long as I can remember. Like whenever we went out with family on trips and stuff, this was our favorite pit stop. And I remember the older place. It was really tiny, and there was like just about like 10-15 tables. But the food was just brilliant. It's a short drive from Bangalore. It's about 2 hours and about 58 kilometers. If you leave home by around 6, you can get here by 8, have some breakfast and go back. In fact, I think quite a few people do that. So yeah, we are going to go in and we're going to get some breakfast. I'm taking khara baat, khesri baat, shabge baat, idli vada, masala dosa and coffee.
I wanna jump, I'm gonna shout, well I love you, there is no.
Alright, we've ordered a bunch of different things for breakfast. I'm going to start off with the idli vada, and then I'm going to go to the masala dosa. And we also have kesri baat, we also have khara baat. So crisp, dude. Look at the...
So you know how people say they don't like upma? I want them to come and try this khara baat and still say the same thing.
Is Uppit and upma the same?
Uppit, upma, khara baat. My understanding of it is all of it is the same.
dosa butter main.
Idli butter. Well I love you, there is no doubt. Oh, baby, I'm on my way.
What happened?
They've cut a tree, and the tree is blocking the road. Maybe like 5 or 10 minutes of stop.
We've just come past Mysore and we found this quiet little spot. So we thought we'll just stop by here for a bit. We've officially left the city and entered the beautiful rustic villages of southern Karnataka. So we seem to have stopped by this temple called the Jedikatte Mahadeshwara temple, and we just find it fascinating because this reminded us of how, places where panchayats were held, how those places would look. So, like this, there's this huge tree where people can just sit around, and then there's a temple.
So we have been driving around the backwaters of Kabini in the last 20 minutes. So the next 2 days is going to be a lot of greenery, a lot of water bodies, and of course the wildlife. So yeah, welcome to Kabini. 5:30 in the morning, and we're just heading out to start with our morning safari. Early morning events aren't always the best for us, because as you can see, we're always in a hurry. The jeep safari is supposed to start around 6:30, and I think we are close to 5:45 right now. Hopefully we get some sightings. I've always been very, very unlucky when it comes to safaris. I've been to quite a few safaris around India, and I've not caught anything, absolutely nothing. The max I see are like wild boars and pigs. We are 1 hour into our safari. We haven't had a lot of luck yet. You might have just heard something. It looks like there was a false alarm. Halfway into our safari, no luck till now. We saw a lot of deers, we saw a few stags, we also saw a samba. No tigers or leopards. We did hear a few alarm calls by birds, and we stopped at around a few water bodies, but then we couldn't see much of a movement. Our guide just told us that about a kilometer from where we are standing right now, there has been a sighting of a tiger. It apparently just crossed the road. We headed that way now. So hopefully we are blessed with some luck, and we finally see I finally see some tiger or a leopard.
Which apparently crossed the road and then ran away, and we could see that all the deer were tense, but we couldn't see the leopard itself. Maybe it was alerted or something. A tiger which has crossed somewhere across from where we are, and we're on our way to see if we can spot it. Finished our morning safari, and it was I have mixed feelings about it, because we didn't have any sightings as such, but the mere feelings of being in the midst of nature and that quiet, it's just very, very refreshing, and so it's worth doing even if there are no sightings. This wildlife reserve was mainly known for leopards. It's only recently that the tiger population has been going up, which is obviously a good sign. But because of that, the leopard population has come down, is what we were told. Because obviously the food chain and all of that. Also, there was some samba deer which we saw, and there's plenty of spotted deer. Like you see spotted deer everywhere, the stags and the entire herd. If you're lucky, you might spot a tiger, you might spot a leopard. We didn't get to do that, but we know that 2 jeeps which went out around the same time as us managed to do it. Elephants are a bit rarer, because supposedly they go into the bushes. I've really enjoyed the morning. The road is quite bumpy, and obviously kacha roads, and as it should be in a forest. So now, we are quite hungry, because we've been up since 5, and we're going to go grab some breakfast.
This has got to be the most versatile platter for breakfast. I have some English breakfast going on here, and then I have some North Indian puri bhaji going on, and then a typical South Indian masala dosa.